Hey everybody, Tom here. I'm here on the North Fork this evening. It's the 13th day of September. I saw something last evening here in the sky that was really pretty cool. These birds getting ready to flock into this tree, and I'm hoping I'll be able to catch this show for you because it was really something to watch. It happened just about this time last evening. All these birds, I don't know what breed bird they are, but they seem to be staging in that big old tall sycamore tree over there right above the neighbor's chimney. Um, Now they're starting to gather. Okay, I hope you'll be able to see this. This is going to be fun to watch. They're going to end up nesting for the night in those two maple trees right there that are close to me. But just bear with us and let's watch a few minutes here and see what happens because they are starting to get active now. We'll This is the setup. I'll just go ahead and pause this for a few minutes, keep it from being too boring, and we'll turn it back on if and when things get started. Now, I don't know, you should be able to see that. And now this is going to turn into a show here. The way they're flying in formation like this is just nuts. Um, you can actually hear their wings. Now that whole group lit in that big pine tree over there, right there. But last evening it was really a show, and most of the birds involved came back to those two trees, and you can't tell, but I can see the movement. Those trees are just alive with birds. There must be a couple hundred birds. So I don't know whether they're gonna give us a show or not. You got a little tiny viewing of what I saw last evening, but it's really incredible to watch. We'll pause this again and get back if anything happens. Okay, I'm seeing a little activity again. They're moving in individually. Maybe we're getting ready to have a show here. See that? It's just amazing to me how such a big group of birds can just fly in formation. It seems like they all know what the other ones are doing. Here's This group is nothing like what I saw last evening, but check that out. Is that cool or what? I don't know whether last evening maybe something spooked them and they came out of the tree and just flew around and went back in. I really don't know. I'll explain what went on. But, the ones that are still in the air seem kind of agitated. I know they're not worried about me. Sky is actually getting a lot darker than it looks in this phone. It's a real good lens on this camera because the sky is not that light. Well, I suppose that's probably the end of the show, such that it was. I guess any self-respecting bird is close enough to being dark went to bed now, like Joe Biden. So anyway, I'll put these segments together, and I hope you enjoyed what little I got to show. I wish I'd have had my phone here last evening, because I don't know whether it was the cloudy day or what, but they were really thick. Anyway, you all have a blessed evening, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, waited till the next day, September 14, and I think we're gonna get a show this evening. That group lighted in that big sycamore tree over there, but neighbor had company, and they were standing under those two trees, and no birds came into it. So I do believe we just will sit here and wait a little while and see what happens. But I think we'll see some of these birds. Just hang tight. There we go. Look at all that. I love just how they all move together like that. Look at it, all in that sycamore tree over there. You see how they're making the tree move? Let's see if I can zoom in on that. I don't know whether you can see all that motion or not. Now there's more. So let me redo this. Now. I'm waiting for another big flock. But you can see they're starting to move into that one kind of individually. I don't know whether you can